Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Mixed spicy seafood, global flavors, ingredients and easy recipes. If you love bold flavors, mixed spicy seafood dishes always deliver. Spices bring out the fresh taste of seafood, turning each bite into something unforgettable. From Thailand's fiery tom yum soup to Mexico's spicy shrimp tacos, spicy seafood shines in kitchens around the globe. People crave these dishes because they wake up the senses and add excitement to any meal. Each region puts its own spin on spice and seafood, blending heat with local flavors. Whether it's Korean jampong, Cajun crawfish, or Indian fish curry, spicy seafood brings people together with tastes that cross borders. What is mixed spicy seafood? Mixed spicy seafood isn't just about tossing some chili flakes on shrimp. It's a full-on dish, or even a feast, where different kinds of seafood come together with layers of bold spice. These dishes show up on menus from street food stalls to fancy restaurants, and they always turn heads thanks to their flavor and color. Whether you're craving shrimp, squid, mussels, or even chunks of fish, mixed spicy seafood packs them all into one dish. The result? A medley of tastes and textures you just don't get from a single seafood recipe. Let's break down what goes into mixed spicy seafood and how it stands out. Key ingredients in mixed spicy seafood. Most mixed spicy seafood dishes start with a base of fresh, high-quality seafood. Think shrimp, squid, scallops, mussels, fish fillets, and sometimes even crab. Then comes the magic. The spice blend. Here's what you often find in these recipes. Seafood variety. You'll get a handful of different types mixed together, not just one. More flavors, more excitement. Spicy sauce or seasoning. Each culture brings its own heat, like chili garlic sauce, pepper pastes, gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, or Creole blends. Aromatics. Garlic, ginger, onion, and herbs are used for a deeper flavor. Acidic elements. Lime, lemon, or tamarind help balance the richness and spice. This combination makes each bite a little different. The squid might carry more sauce, while the shrimp might stay juicy and sweet, all still spicy. What makes mixed spicy seafood unique? Single seafood spicy dishes focus on a star ingredient, maybe spicy shrimp or chili crab. Mixed spicy seafood gives you a full team effort. The combination means more textures, from the chewy bite of squid to the soft flake of fish. A few things set mixed spicy seafood apart. Balanced flavors. Each seafood brings its own taste. Sweet shrimp, briny mussels, tender fish, making every bite special. Textural contrast. You'll notice chewy, firm, and soft pieces in the same dish. Hearty and shareable. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. People love to scoop from a shared bowl at the table. Mixed spicy seafood lets cooks use what's fresh and available. It also turns a simple spicy seafood idea into a celebration on a plate, one that's perfect for sharing with friends or family. Key ingredients and popular types of seafood used. Mixed spicy seafood isn't just about heat, it's about bold flavors coming together. The seafood gets paired with rich spices, tangy sauces, and unique combos that help every ingredient shine. Some spices wake up the sweetness in shrimp, while certain sauces pull out the natural brine from mussels or clams. Every seafood mix tells its own story, thanks to classic ingredients and clever flavor tricks from cooks all over the world. Essential spices and condiments in spicy seafood mixes. List and describe commonly used spices, sauces, and flavor bases. Building the perfect spicy seafood dish starts with carefully chosen seasonings and sauces. Home cooks and chefs love to layer these to get that crave-worthy heat and depth. Here's what you'll find in most great spicy seafood mixes. Chili flakes and powders. These bring immediate heat. Options like Korean gochugaru, cayenne, or crushed red pepper get sprinkled on everything from calamari to crab. Garlic and ginger. Both bring warmth and a punch of sharpness. Garlic goes in nearly every mix, while ginger balances the fishiness of shellfish. Shallots and onions. You'll taste their mild sweetness and umami, especially in Thai or Vietnamese seafood stir-fries. Fresh chilies. Sliced jalapenos or Thai bird's eye chilies add real kick and color. These can be tossed in toward the end for a burst of flavor. Soy sauce. More than a salt replacer, it delivers that earthy base that pairs well with squid, shrimp, and other seafood. Fish sauce. This is a staple in Southeast Asian kitchens. It's funky, salty, and boosts the seafood's own flavors. Oyster sauce. Adds a touch of sweetness and rounds out sharp notes from chilies or citrus. Lime and lemon juice. The acid from these fruits cuts through the richness and brings all the flavors together. It also helps keep seafood tender. Paprika and smoked paprika. Both lend sweetness, color, and smoky depth, often used in Spanish or Cajun-inspired dishes. Black pepper. A classic that shows up in almost every cuisine, either as a base heat or finishing note. Herbs, cilantro, parsley, Thai basil. These herbs bring a fresh, clean finish that lifts the dish. Sprinkle them just before serving. Popular types of seafood and spicy mixes. Let's talk seafood. Certain types pop up again and again because they stand up to bold flavors and keep their unique charm. Here are the favorites you'll spot in many spicy mixes. Shrimp. Sweet, tender, and cooks fast. It soaks up spices and stays juicy, making it a top pick. Squid, calamari. Chewy and perfect for grabbing onto sticky, spicy sauces. Mussels. Their briny flavor pairs well with chili pastes and garlic-based sauces. Clams. Tender and a bit sweet, they open up when cooked, picking up all the spices in the broth. Scallops. Delicate but firm, they bring a buttery note that balances strong spices. Fish fillets. Mild white fish or even chunks of salmon are great in stews and soups. They absorb flavors but don't overpower the dish. Octopus. A little more of a treat, octopus adds texture and stands up to chili oils and garlic. Crab. Sweet meat that tastes even better when spiced up with pepper, chili, or a punchy sauce. Mixed spicy seafood dishes might feature one or two types, but the real magic often comes from including several. Each type of seafood brings its own flavor and character, so every bite is a little different but always delicious. That's what keeps people coming back for more. Regional variations of spicy mixed seafood dishes. Spicy mixed seafood dishes show off how creative cooks get with both fresh ingredients and bold seasonings. Every region brings its own flavors, cooking styles, and even reasons for turning up the heat. Across Asia, Europe, and the Americas, these dishes do more than feed a crowd, they let you taste history, tradition, and local pride all in one bite. Korean spicy Haemul Bokkeum, stir-fried spicy seafood. Haemul Bokkeum stands out because it goes beyond simple heat. Korean cooks layer flavors using gochugaru, red chili flakes, gochujang, chili paste, soy sauce, garlic, and a touch of sugar. The result is a bold, slightly sweet, and deeply savory sauce that clings to every piece of seafood. What makes Haemul Bokkeum unique? Spice blend. Gochujang and gochugaru give the dish a vibrant color and a strong, steady heat. Fresh seafood medley. You'll find shrimp, squid, clams, mussels, and even scallops stir-fried together. Vegetable add-ins. Bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and zucchini add crunch and absorb the sauce. Quick stir fry. The seafood stays tender since it cooks fast, locking in moisture while picking up all that savory spicy flavor. Thai spicy seafood salad, yum talay. Yum talay speaks for itself, fresh, zesty, and bright. Thai food is famous for balancing spicy, sour, salty, and sweet, and this salad nails it every time. Key details about yum talay. Lime juice and fish sauce. The tartness from lime and saltiness from fish sauce form the base of the dressing. Heat from fresh chilies. Thai bird's eye chilies add a sharp bite without overwhelming the seafood's taste. Fresh herbs and veggies. Sliced onions, tomatoes, celery, and plenty of cilantro make each bite full of crunch and fragrance. Seafood selection. Usually shrimp, squid, and mussels, lightly boiled to keep their texture. That's it for part 1. We hope you're excited to try out these flavors from around the globe. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll share even more spicy seafood recipes and tips. See you soon. Thank you for watching.